पळय तुमचे मुखार हो फोटो दाखयता हो सगळ्यांक खबर आसा बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर. हो बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर हाचे फोटोय आसा, हाचे पुतळे आसा आणि पयर 14 तारखेक हो राष्ट्रीय लेवलाचेर हो दीस मनयलो जयंती म्हणून ताची. This man, the architect of the constitution, stood for social justice. आता इश्यू इतलोच. G20 हाच्या नावान आमी आता खंय आसा, आमी ह्या आता काँग्रेस ऑफिसाच्या सकयल आसा. आमकां खबर आसा हांगा खुबशे बारीक बारीक व्यवसाय चलतात. चड करून आमी चडशे आमचे जती बी कितें तुटली किंवा आमी पॉलिश करपाक जाय जाल्यार हांगा आमचे कांय बंधू हांगा बसता. इतले डेकेड्स म्हणजे म्हाका खबर ना, त्यांच्या आजोबा सुद्धा बसताले म्हणटा ते, अजून बसतात. आणि डे टू डे तांचे लिव्हिंग पळय आसा, देअर डे टू डे लिव्हिंग, देअर एक्झिस्टन्स is based on their activity which takes place here. Now I am speaking in English so that its message goes far and wide. On 14th April, entire government machinery came down, garlanded the statue of Ambedkar at various places in Goa. But there is a gap between what they preach and what they practice. In the name of G20, all the cobblers from here have been summarily told by the police, through the police, by the administration of BJP government to get lost. Anga tumi baspak jayna, you should not be seen here. This clearly indicates that you are ashamed to tell the G19, G ek ami hai, the 19, those who are coming from outside, that these brothers of ours who etch out a living from this activity, you are ashamed of them. What other thing you have done? You have covered casino advertisements everywhere. If tumka media cover asa, you are aware of that. They are ashamed of the casino advertisements. They are not ashamed of the casinos. The BJP government, which is giving lot of impetus for casinos, which is supporting casinos, you can see just across casino activities on, whereas simple आमचे पळय बारीक लोक आसा समाजाचे, their activity has been closed. This is the fact of the matter. It is not only they, बारीक बारीक गाडे बिडे पळय आसा तांकां सगळ्यांक दुकान बंद करपाक लायला. You are ashamed of them. You are ashamed of showing G19 what the actual state of affairs is. We are not ashamed of them. They are a part of our existence. We like them. We live with them. We help them to come up. You have not done that. You have done only lip service. Nothing more than lip service. This is what we want to convey. So what are you trying to tell? You are trying to tell that they exist only for the vote. They exist only for your vote. That you are going to tell about Ambedkar Bhavan and Kide Bhavan. So when you preach something, you have to also learn to practice. He message far and wide वचपाक जाय. प्रधानमंत्र्याक वचपाक जाय. त्यांचे शेड्यूल कास्ट किंवा शेड्यूल ट्रायब्स कमिशनां आसा तांकां वचपाक जाय. सोशल जस्टिस अँड एम्पावर म्हणून मिनिस्ट्री आसा, एम्पावरमेंट, तांकां वचपाक जाय. दिस इज द स्टेट ऑफ अफेअर्स वेन इट कम्स टू G20. That one G is ashamed to present a real picture to G19. This is the simple message we want to give today. That these brothers of ours are equal to that casino advertisement. म्हणजे तितलोच वालोर. आमकां तेही दाखोवपाचें ना, आमकां हेही दाखोवपाचें ना. अरे कित्याक दाखोवपाचें ना? बरें, वी स्टील एडमीट की चल तुमकां तांकां काडपाचें आसा जाल्यार एक पद्दत आसपाक जाय, तांकां बरे भशेन सांगपाक जाय. आणि तांची नुकसान भरपाई कोण करतलो? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन वी वॉन्ट टू आस्क. बिकॉज देअर डे टू डे एक्झिस्टन्स गिव्स देम द अर्निंग. फाल्यां ते जर सीक पडले जाल्यार यू आर नॉट कमिंग टू देअर रेस्क्यू. यू आर नॉट गिविंग देम मनी. They have to work hard to make a living. They have to survive. They have to fill their stomach. They have to meet the medical expense. They have to meet the education expense of their children. How are you going to tackle this problem? So we demand, our final demand is, when you have received 300 crores for this show event, because this is event management government, everybody knows that it knows only to manage events. So G20 for you is another event. You have put a lot of other advertisements. We demand that their loss in terms of earnings, per day loss of livelihood has to be compensated. Otherwise, you are fooling. You are really not doing social justice. You are only doing lip service to Baba Saheb Ambedkar. This is the message.